Sorry students, good morning all. It was late for me.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning everyone. So beta, can anyone tell me what was the previous part where we had stopped? Anyone who can tell me?
Sir, smaller and greater.
Sir, our
Yes?
class.
No one? Smaller and greater of what? Okay
सर
then.
आवाज क्लियर नहीं है.
So whole numbers.
Whole numbers. आवाज आ नहीं रही क्या बेटा अभी भी?
Class.
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Beta, from my side, I think there is no issue here. Okay, then let us just start with it. Now, first of all, I am just going to mute you all. Okay? If anybody wants to speak anything, then just raise your hand. And before I start, once again, I'll remind you all that rename the device. डिवाइस पे जो नाम मुझे दिख रहे हैं, प्लीज उनके नाम आप अपने नाम कर लो, स्टूडेंट के नाम पे हो जाए, so that it will be easy for me to take the attendance. Okay then, so we'll start now. I'm going to share the whiteboard with you. Now, I think in the beginning, I had told you about the types of numbers. We had done about the natural numbers. We did natural numbers.
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
बेटा किसके पास, सभी के पास नहीं आ रही या it is only issue of one or two child?
सर हमें तो आ रही है.
आ रही है आवाज.
आ रही है सर.
सर आपकी आवाज पता नहीं आ रही.
Beta, if it is just matter of one or two students, na, then in that case, it is your side network issue.
सर आ रही है आवाज.
I don't think so that there should be any issue. अगर सबके पास है तब तो मैं मान सकता हूँ कि कोई issue हो सकता है, otherwise it will be the same. There will be issue from your side. Okay then, so natural numbers. Then after that, we had done about the whole numbers. And have we discussed integers? Integers के बारे में discuss किया या नहीं?
सर कर ली.
We have done
Yes,
it.
sir.
Yes. So I had told you the greatest and smallest number between the integers. If it is a positive number, will be greater than negative number. A positive number will always be greater than the negative number. Now, after this, if it is about only the negative numbers, quickly tell me, -5 and -12, which is greater?
Sir, -5.
-5 is greater. So we will use this sign. Is this a sign to be used?
No, sir.
No. We will be using the other one, greater than. This sign is to be used here. Now, let us come to the properties of the numbers. The first property which is there, that is closure property. आपने क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टीज के बारे में पहले भी पढ़ा है. What it says, if we take it for addition, then if we add any two, say let us take natural numbers, any two natural numbers, then we always get a natural number. So this is the closure property for addition. इसमें यह है कि अगर हम कोई भी दो नेचुरल नंबर्स लें और उनको ऐड करेंगे तो जो हमारा सम है, जो हमारा रिजल्ट है, रिजल्ट जो है होगा वो भी क्या होगा? एक नेचुरल नंबर होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बेटा कीप योरसेल्फ म्यूटेड. 2 plus 5. Now if you take 2 and 5, 2 is a natural number, 5 is also a natural number, और 2 plus 5, if you add it, sum अगर आप करते हो तो sum क्या होता है? 7. Now 7 is also a natural number. So our condition is fulfilled. हमारी जो condition है वो fulfill हो जाती है. That if we add any two natural numbers, we get again a natural number only. आप कोई भी एग्जांपल ले सकते हो. Say 12 plus 7, it is 19. 12 is a natural number, 7 is a natural number, and 19 is also a natural number. So again this condition is fulfilled. आप किसी के साथ भी चेक कर सकते हो. और क्योंकि कोई भी दो नंबर्स हम लेते हैं और हमारी ये प्रॉपर्टी जो है ये फुलफिल हो रही है, सो व्हाट वी से दैट natural numbers are closed under addition. So this is the statement. Natural numbers are closed under addition. So this is the part, or this is the point which you have to note down under the closure property. Closure property में this is what you have to note down. First, that natural numbers are closed under addition. और property के बारे में अगर आप लिखना चाहते हो, then you can write this statement that if we add any two natural numbers, then we always get a natural number. You may note down this. Shall I move? बेटा if anybody is having some network issue ना, तो आप अपना वीडियो जो है वो ऑफ भी रख सकते हो. Whenever asked, then you may on it. और अगर नेटवर्क इश्यू नहीं है, then you can keep it on. There is no issue in that.
सर इरेज कर दो.
So for all ना?
यस सर.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
next addition, again we will talk about the closure property only, but this time addition of whole numbers. Previously we had taken the natural numbers. Now let us take about the whole numbers. Now for example with the whole numbers, अब whole numbers और natural numbers में examples same होंगे. Examples will remain the same ना? Like natural number में हमने लिया था 12 plus 17 equals to 19. 12 is again natural number and it is also a whole number. 7 a natural and whole number. 19 it is again a natural and whole number. So we can say that for whole numbers also the closure property is applicable. और एक्स्ट्रा में एग्जांपल लेना चाहते हो, 0 एक ऐसा नंबर है जो नेचुरल में नहीं आता है. You can take 0 plus 3, it gives you 3. So 0 a whole number, 3 a whole number, and the sum again is a whole number. So what will be the statement now? The statement becomes that whole numbers are closed under addition. So this is the statement there, that whole numbers are closed under addition. And similarly, you will have the property for integers also. अब integers में जो है आप चेक करके बताओ. What do you have? If you take any two integers, कोई भी दो integers लो, add करो और check करो कि that is again an integer or not. कि क्या वो भी एक integer बनता है? Integers positive and negative ना? You can take any numbers. Say I take 5 and I take -2. So 5 and -2, it is 3. अच्छा, पहले ये बताओ कि इंटीजर्स को ऐड करने में किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है? If it is, then first I'll discuss that, then I'll come to this. Anyone having any issue in addition or subtraction of integers? You can just raise your hand so that I come to know. Or you can speak out. No one? Okay then. So 5, it is an integer, positive integer. -2, a negative integer. And 3, it is again a positive integer. और ये आप कोई भी integers ले सकते हो. You can take anything. Say -7 plus -5. It will give you -12. Again -7, -5, -12. All are negative integers. So here again we have that integers are closed under addition. So integers are also closed under addition. So closure property we have done for natural number, whole number and integers. तो result क्या है हमारे पास? The result is that, sorry, yes Rikshika, if you have any doubt.
सर आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही और स्क्रीन भी नहीं दिख रही है।
Beta, anybody else having any issue like this? कोई और है जिसको बेटा स्क्रीन या आवाज में दिक्कत है? Rikshika, I don't think anybody else is facing any issue. Jyoti, do you have? Is it clear to you?
सर
Niharika?
यस सर।
Hitesh?
No, sir.
No issue, na?
No, sir.
Rikshika, beta, you will have to check your internet connection there.
दिख रही है स्क्रीन और आवाज भी आ रही है।
So the final result is natural numbers, whole numbers and integers all are closed under addition. This is your final statement. तो ये जो स्टेटमेंट्स हमने अलग अलग लिखे हैं, if you want you may write it in this form. A combined result can be there. Can anyone tell me, is 0 also a integer? Any one of you may reply, is 0 an integer? Gaurav, is 0 an integer? Gaurav. Gaurav is not answering. Abdul Wahab, is 0 an integer? No answer. Kushwant, is 0 an integer? Jyoti, is 0 an integer? Jyoti, Jyoti, your voice. Beta, unmute yourself. Is 0 an integer? Not able to answer. Sneha,
सर इंटीजर्स होल नंबर्स और उनके नेगेटिव होते हैं, इसलिए होल नंबर्स में 0 आता है तो 0 इंटीजर है.
yes, 0 is an integer. Very good. So now let us move ahead. Our next property is closure only, but we had done it for addition. Now let us do it on subtraction. So closure property on subtraction. Now closure property, again we will discuss on the basis of numbers. So first let us take natural numbers. Now what it will be that if we subtract any two natural numbers, take any two natural numbers and subtract them, then the difference must also be a natural number. Like 6 minus 2, it is equal to 4. So 6 is a natural number, 2 is a natural number, and 4 is a natural number. So in this way, if we are subtracting any two natural numbers, we should always get a natural number. Now you tell me that is it same for all the natural numbers? क्या ये possible है सभी natural numbers के लिए? Or just give me an example where it is not possible. है कोई ऐसी example? Any one of you may just unmute yourself and reply. No? If I take the example 2 minus 4. What is 2 minus 4? 2 is a natural number, 4 is a natural number, and if you subtract 2 and 4, 2 minus 4, what does it give? It gives us minus 2. So 2 is natural, 4 is natural, but minus 2 is not natural. तो इस एग्जांपल में हमने ये देखा कि दो नेचुरल नंबर्स को जब हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, देन वी डू नॉट गेट अ नेचुरल नंबर. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? दैट क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी डज नॉट अप्लाई ऑन सब्ट्रैक्शन फॉर नेचुरल नंबर्स. देन व्हाट विल बी द स्टेटमेंट? Statement becomes natural numbers are not closed under subtraction. So this is your statement. And what if you take whole numbers? अब whole numbers के लिए कोई एग्जांपल ऐसी इस तरह की कोई एग्जांपल बता सकता है जिसमें कि ये अप्लाई नहीं हो? और डज इट अप्लाई? एनीबॉडी? Arvind, can you give me an example? Arvind, give an example. Dear, at least when you are asked, you should reply. Yes, Kushwant? Unmute yourself better first.
Sir, 3
Kushwant, unmute. Yes, now speak.
sir,
Yes, Kushwant?
3 minus 5
3 minus 5 equals to minus 2. So here 3 is a whole number, 5 is a whole number, whereas minus 2, this is not a whole number. तो प्रॉपर्टी को अप्लाई करवाने और नहीं करवाने के लिए हमारे पास एक ही एग्जांपल है, नहीं के लिए हमारे पास एक एग्जांपल बहुत है, और अगर हम ये कहते हैं कि इट अप्लाइज, then we should be able to give more examples. Kabir, you raised your hand. You may speak.
0 minus 2.
Repeat, beta.
0 minus 2.
0 minus 2. Very good. 0 minus 2 equals to minus 2. This again is not a whole number. So the conclusion is whole numbers are not closed under subtraction. Now if we come about integers, quickly tell me what about integers then? What will be there for integers? ये जो एग्जांपल हमने लिया है 3 minus 5 equals to minus 2, क्या हम इसको इंटीजर्स के लिए रख सकते हैं? Because
Yes, sir.
yes, 3 is a whole number, hence it is an integer. 5 is a whole number, so this is also an integer. And minus 2, this is also an integer. Same way, the second example which is there, this also can be taken. 0 an integer, 2 an integer, and minus 2 is also an integer. So here integers are closed under subtraction. So out of natural numbers, whole numbers and integers, you see here that natural numbers, they are not closed, whole numbers, they are not closed, whereas integers are closed under subtraction. So closed under subtraction means कि integers पे जो है ये property apply होती है. This property applies only for integers. So clear with all this now till date, till this part? If it is so, we'll end up our class here itself. We have done about the closure property for subtraction and addition. Now, as a homework, what you are going to do is you will check the closure property for multiplication and डिवीजन. और ये आपको तीनों के लिए करना है. आप चेक करके रखना नेचुरल नंबर्स, होल नंबर्स और इंटीजर्स. आर नेचुरल नंबर्स क्लोज्ड अंडर मल्टीप्लिकेशन, आर नेचुरल नंबर्स क्लोज्ड अंडर डिवीजन. ये आपको करना है. आप चाहो तो स्टेटमेंट में लिख लेना, अदरवाइज यू कैन जस्ट फॉर्म अ टेबल लाइक दिस. Where you can write here multiplication and here you may take division. और यहां पे आपको सिर्फ ये बताना है कि closed और not closed, इन दोनों में से कौन सा अप्लाई होगा, closed होंगे या not closed होंगे. One you have to write there. Same you have to do it for division also. इसी तरह से सब में लिखना है. So you do this part, complete it. We'll meet again as per the schedule, and I'll ask you about this on the first thing, and then we will continue the next part. So thank you all. Have a nice day. We'll meet again.